All done! We got Play-Doh in different colors and it doesn't stick to your hand. So now let's play with our Play-Doh.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess T.
Hi Prince and Princess, Princess Pham.
Are you guys bored at home like we are? If you are, make sure you watch this whole video to learn how to make
DIY Play-Doh. For this experiment, you're gonna need something to keep your work area clean, some measuring cups, salt, a bowl, food coloring,
warm water, flour, and something to mix with. Let's get started. So, we're gonna start with 1 cup of flour,
half a cup of salt, into the bowl,
and half a cup of warm water. And you're gonna pour that in slowly as you stir. This is a fun activity to do with your family, so remember to ask a parent for help or permission. So we're gonna just keep stirring, and then I'm gonna use my hands here and just a little bit to mix it together.
Okay, let's use our hands to knead it together. Ooh, look, it's starting to stick. And for a tip, if it's too dry, you can add more water, or if it's too wet, you can add more flour. Okay, I think I'm about done. It's not sticking to my fingers, and the texture is really starting to feel like Play-Doh.
Awesome.
So, we are going to add some food coloring now.
So go ahead and break it into equal parts.
How many colors should we do? Let's see. Maybe 5?
Yeah, let's do 5 colors. So we're rolling them up into like balls. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're gonna make little indentions in here so that we can put the food coloring.
It looks
just
like a dumpling.
So. Yep. And then now we're gonna pick the colors. Let's pick 5 colors. I'm gonna go with teal for one of them.
I'm gonna go with purple
Add
with the
like
other.
2 drops because I want like a light color.
I think I'm going to do this. Oh, maybe just one.
Maybe just one.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go with pink over here.
I think I'm gonna go with green over here.
And let's go with yellow on the last one. Yellow over here. So now we're going to mix in the color. You can do this in a bowl, or you can do on some type of paper like foil or parchment paper so it doesn't stick to your work area. So we have our food color here, so I'm just gonna like mix it in. I'm trying not to get so much on my hands because it will, look at that, get some food coloring on it.
I'm gonna do the same thing with my purple one. So I'm just gonna take the outside, and I'm gonna push it inward. I'm gonna keep doing that over and over again. Where'd my purple go? Let's see. Ooh, I'm starting to see some right there.
All right, I think I'm good with my color here. Look at this beautiful teal color. It's not slime, it's Play-Doh, but this is pretty much feels like Play-Doh. I love it. So I use my hands, so it's kind of like blue, so make sure you wash it before you mess with the next Play-Doh. Okay, we wash our hands, and let's go on to the next color. I'm gonna go with this one here. Which one are you gonna do, Princess Pham?
I think I'm gonna go with the yellow.
Ooh, red.
My
Or is it
yellow
pink?
looks orange. Yeah, and I think your pink looks red.
I know. Oh, I think it's gonna be pink. Work it in. All right, I got the pink all done. I'm gonna roll it up and go ahead and work on this last one here, which is the green. All done! We got Play-Doh in different colors, and it doesn't stick to your hand. So now let's play with our Play-Doh. What should we use? I'm gonna try this octopus one. All right, I'm gonna squish the Play-Doh, make it flat, and I'm gonna use this octopus cutter And I'm gonna make me an octopus. I'm gonna take out those extras. Come out, Mr. Octopus. Come out, come out. And there we go, I have an octopus.
All right, now let's make a duck. I'm going to use my yellow. I'm going to squish it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna push down. Awesome. Let's see what our ducky looks like. Uh-oh.
Quack, quack. Now let's use some of this green. I'm gonna put it in the sailboat. So we're just gonna take like a little bit and squish it into here. There we go. And maybe I'll do this like on the other side. There we go. And let's squish it together. Open it up and take out the extras. Oh no, I scratched it. All right, let's do that again. And take it out. Come out, come out. All done.
Okay, I'm going to make me a starfish, a purple one. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze, and then I'm gonna pull up. Whoa, check out my starfish.
Let's make another ducky. I'm gonna do it with this pink one. I'm gonna flatten it out, and here we go. I really love these Play-Doh cutters. They are amazing. Oh no. There we go. Let me just reshape it. Perfect. Add it to my family. All right, all done. That was so much fun. So friends, this is the end of today's DIY video.
If you like more videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses.
Bye.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess T.
Hi, Prince and Princess, Princess Pham.
We know a lot of you guys are at home bored. We are too. So let's do a science experiment together and learn why it's important to wash our hands.
This experiment is called the pepper and soap science experiment. And this is everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need some glitter or some pepper, some bowls, soap, and water.
As Princess Pham said, you will only need glitter or pepper, one or the other, but we're gonna show you to this experiment 2 different ways. First, we're gonna start with the pepper. Step 1, in a bowl that's kind of wide, go ahead and pour water in.
Next, I'm gonna put the pepper in the water. But first, before I do you think this is gonna float or sink? This should be an easy one, I think.
it's gonna float. Do you
That's
think
a
it's gonna
good
float or
guess.
sink?
I'm gonna go with float too.
Okay, there you go. That's a science experiment within a science experiment.
Okay, let's sprinkle some pepper on my water. You're right, it is floating.
Sprinkle a lot. Make sure you guys sprinkle a good amount of pepper inside this bowl because I want you guys to use your imagination. Now everybody imagine, just imagine that the pepper here are germs. Ooh, look at all those germs in my bowl. Oh, that's a lot of germs.
So now we're gonna demonstrate what happens when you don't wash your hands.
What's gonna happen?
I don't know, we gotta put our hands in the sink.
Okay, go ahead. So,
I'm gonna move around like I'm playing in the sand, playing in the dirt, and ooh, do you see
flip your
it?
hand. Look at all those germs.
It's all over my hand. And can you just imagine when you go from playing and then you touch
Don't touch
things
me. Don't touch your face. Do not touch your face.
or anything else?
Yep.
You don't want to put your hands in here?
Oh, germs. Germs. Germs.
Luckily, these are just peppers.
Yep, luckily these are pepper. But like I said, imagine this is germs. And now there are germs on my finger. But never fear because soap is here. So I'm gonna put the soap inside this bowl. There we go. I got our soap in a bowl. So soap is the magical power we have against germs. So Princess Pham, go ahead and put your finger in this soap and get a good amount.
Okay.
And you guys, this is what happens if you wash your hands.
Here we go.
She's gonna put her finger.
Whoa!
Move your finger
at
around.
that. Oh my god, look at that.
It's like they're scared and they're moving away from your finger.
Yeah, it is going away. It's repelling the germs.
Whoa, that's super cool. I wanna try. All right, I got my soap and let's go ahead and put it in. Oh, it's repelling. Check that out. So cool.
I'm gonna do some more. And I'm just going to.
Whoa, the germs are running away.
It's right where I put in my finger. Awesome.
And look, there's no germs in your finger.
Ooh. Okay, one more. Wow,
Whoa.
I love it.
That's why it's important to wash your hands with soap because it scares all the germs away. Princess Pham, quick question.
What?
How long do you wash your hands for?
Would you like a number or a song?
A number.
I guess 20 seconds.
Correct. You guys should wash your hands for 20 seconds or sing happy birthday 2 times.
Okay, now let's do the science experiment again, but with glitter. So I'm going to add some water into my bowl again.
And then add your glitter, AKA your germs. So what color germs are you putting in there, Princess Pham?
I don't know, I got gold, silver, purple, and blue.
I knew it!
I'm gonna go with some purple.
Purple germs going in the water, you guys.
Yep, these are gonna be called Princess Pham germs. Look at my germs, they're nice and sparkly.
While you're at it, I'm gonna add some Princess Tea germs in there too.
Whoa, you got a lot of germs. Let me add some more of mine.
Whoa, that's a lot of germs. Okay, first we're gonna demonstrate what happens if you don't wash your hands. Okay, Princess Pham, use your hands and put it in the bowl.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna do something like this.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a lot of germs.
Luckily, we have soap. Okay, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. And the other hand, Princess Pham, go ahead and put some fingers in there and get a lot of soap.
A lot of soap. Do, 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 do. Happy birthday to you. Times 2. Okay, here we go. Whoa! That was super repellent. That was awesome.
And that's why it's important to wash your hands with soap, no germs. Without soap, lots of germs.
I'm gonna get you.
Now, let's wash our hands together. First, you're going to roll up your sleeve and get some soap. Put it on your hand. I got a good amount, and I'm gonna rub. And let's start singing. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Princess Pham. Happy birthday to you. Now let's rinse. And many more on channel 4. Okay, you guys, all done. And that's how you should wash your hands at home. Okay, friends, that's the end of today's video.
If you like more science experiments, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, friends and princesses. Bye.